Hey guys, welcome to Guide Glimpse. In today's guide, let me show you how you can use Booking.com. So make sure to watch the video until the end. By the way, Booking.com offers services for hotel reservations, flights, and car rentals. You can use either the website or the app. First, if you're looking for a place to stay, go to the Stays tab. And if you want to book a flight, go to the Flights tab, enter your destination and starting point, then tap the search button. Now go and look for the accommodation that you prefer. For car rentals, go to the car rental option, select your pickup and drop off location, and then tap search. Just enter the relevant information and book them. It's really simple. Choose your starting point and destination, tap search, and pay for your booking. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.